All right. Nope, I don't see anything. I'm gonna have to call. Here's the jail.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. You know, you got the
Good morning.
4th of July colors on. So you're ready to go.
Good morning, everybody.
Funny, man. That's funny.
Anything.
Good morning, Wayne County Jail.
Good morning,
What's your name, sir?
Michael Clark.
Clark. All right, Mr. Clark, we're just waiting on your attorney, okay?
Okay.
You guys are ready.
I'm ready.
Judge ready? Okay. All rise, 36th District Court, City of Detroit, City of Michigan, session with the Honorable Judge Ronald Giles presiding. You may be seated.
Party's ready on Tyrone Thomas. Calling case number 2357290, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tyrone Thomas Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing $20,000 or more. Count 2, weapons carry concealed. Count 3, identity theft. Count 4, failure to stop at a scene of a personal injury accident. Count 5, weapons found a firearm. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Dan Duquette on behalf of the people, key number 86690.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon, P355964, Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas is in the custody of the Wayne County Sheriff, and I would ask the court to allow me to waive his presence for the purpose of setting the matter over for preliminary examination.
All right, set this matter over, waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. You're available for exam June 22nd at 9 o'clock.
At what time?
9 o'clock.
Now, can we do it a different day?
June 23rd at 9 o'clock?
Or perhaps later that morning.
I beg your pardon?
Yeah.
I have two matters that morning in Frank Murphy early, but I can do it later in the morning if it's. Course.
I can do it 9:30, but that's about as late as I can do it. I'm not gonna be here. I got a judge covering, so I have to go by their schedule.
So then could we do it a different day?
Do June 26th. 9:45 or even later. What?
Perhaps even later. I have a 9 o'clock Zoom in Oakland County. I should be done by 10 o'clock.
10:30.
10:30 is good. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thank you. Bond has already been reviewed. That's not the issue because there's a remand in circuit court. So we have nothing further this time.
Okay. All right,
Thank
thank you. It was on the 26th.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. You said Kerwin, you do not have a report?
No.
You can call it. I'm just gonna put it over for a month.
Parties ready on Shannon Herwig? Calling case number 2259829, the people of the state of Michigan versus Shannon Herwig. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, lesson, murder, or by strangulation. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for a review hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Dan Duquette on behalf of the people, P number 86690.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jabari Prempeh, P 81745, on behalf of Miss Shannon Herwig, who is in custody in Wayne County Jail.
Waive her appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, we're gonna, we don't have a report back yet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this over about a month. We're gonna try to contact the CFP in order to get a report.
Absolutely.
All right, about July 17th at 8:30. I mean, yeah, 8:30.
One moment. Sorry. I'll be out of town that week.
Wait.
Actually, wait a minute. I'm sorry. Excuse me. No. Actually, that's the last day. So the 19th, is the 19th possible, Your Honor? The 19th or the 20th?
July 19th is fine. July 19th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, that concludes the hearing. Have a good weekend. Here, so we might have either one of them. He might be a neighborhood.
Good morning, counselor. Mr. Sullivan?
Good morning, Madam Clerk. I'm here checking in on Michael Clark in custody.
All right, he is on. That's your client on. Are you ready or you need a breakout room?
Could we have a breakout room for 1 minute?
Sure, can I? Sure.
Thank you.
Oh, shoot. They got Shannon Herwig in jail. She's on.
Yeah, he said
The one we just did.
He said she was in jail.
This is right up now.
We can't do anything anyway.
Courtroom 233, Judge Giles. Come here, help me. Hey, good morning.
What's this you have? What case is it?
Yes, I do see her on time. You guys are in the waiting room. So, okay, so we just did her because there was no report ready for her. So the judge adjourned it.
Line 19.
Okay. All right, all right. Why, you got something else? Honey?
I forgot, when I was doing mine, I said.
Oh, you made some? Oh, the little honey.
Yeah,
I can
if
see
you
that.
got any, it's optional.
Yeah, I got some, yeah.
In the Tyler case, yeah, oh, we have a witness here. Just let you-
On which one?
Wait, Tyler, and the prosecutor.
Yeah, we'll do.
We have a witness on the case.
Yeah, text me.
Okay.
You do Judge Jefferson's PCC?
Oh, you doing
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
today?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, because they have a morning, all PCC.
Are you ready? We got anything else? ready?
Oh, let me call up there.
We got Andrews at Sullivan.
No, we're gonna do this, yeah.
Oh, Sullivan.
Yeah, I see it, you know.
No, we're doing my car. My car is shot.
Hey, Juanita.
Yeah.
You did.
Let's go to Giles or Judge Jefferson.
He said it was another sensor. So since that was the oxygen sensor, I don't know what sensor it is. They said it's like 5 or 6 computer sensors. And,
All right.
you know, car is
Right. I think he's gonna wait because we only have one right now too. But they're in a breakout room, so they'll probably do that. I have two. Maybe you'll have a couple by the time
Yeah,
you
that's
do.
what-
But I'll let them know. Oh, my God. Oh. Okay. Yeah, because
Yeah.
no, he'll just send them. Yeah, he'll just do it without them. Yeah.
Oh, people don't know the link. It's not linked. Then you.
Okay.
You see that.
Okay,
No, mine was, it's on. And the thing is, it's like the first time they said it was a cat.
All right, what am I
Second
doing?
time it said it was a sensor. This time it's saying it's a sensor. So they, they only charge you for the, it's $200 for the sensor. Don't take care of the weight. The half hour was in there a week ago.
Okay, right, so they know, okay, it's not a major system.
You know, they said, but it hasn't been there,
By the time they
yes, I want to do, you know, seriously consider getting a truck. Right up there. Well, I like to see Ronald and, see.
Morning, you ready?
We gotta get Mr.
Oh,
Ready on Michael Clark.
all right, for some reason, he's still in the waiting room. It takes a minute. But wait, tell me some time. You back in?
Yep.
All right, good. You ready, Council? Calling case number 22-60129, the people of the state of Michigan versus Michael Clark. Defendant is charged with count 1, robbery unarmed, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Morning, Your Honor. This is Dan Duquette on behalf of the people, P number 86690.
And good morning, Judge. Neighborhood Defender Service by Andrew Sullivan, P84261, here representing Michael Clark, appearing by Zoom from the Wayne County Jail. Clark, can you state your name for the judge?
Michael Clark.
Thank you. Mr. Sullivan.
Yes, Judge.
Sam?
I
Yes,
do.
for exam.
Yes, requesting a preliminary exam. I have paper and digital discovery. I will be submitting a discovery order just in case there's anything additional. But a preliminary exam date. There is some investigation I'd like to do in the case. I'm requesting a date, not next, but the following week of the 26th.
You said, what investigation, and how does it affect the exam?
There is a witness, the main witness that's identified, Mr. Clark. I'd like to interview them with my defense investigator.
Well, you can do that before, the exam is set for the 22nd, 9 o'clock.
Unfortunately, Judge, there are just 2 investigators in the office that have a lot of other appointments between now and then. And so I'm just requesting a few days.
Yes.
All right, I'll do the 26th at 9:45.
That should, thank you.
All right.
I did last time.
All right, anything else?
Nothing additional for the defense, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Close the hearing.
Mr. Sullivan, did you see the chat that do you know if you can check and see if, you know who's assigned to that case out of your office?
For you, 1 minute.
Okay, Mr. Clark, you can tell them we're done with your hearing.
Yeah. That was Wednesday.
Good morning. Am I all set?
Yeah, we're all set. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I see you, Mr. Sullivan.
See you soon, Mr. Clark.
Earl Washington said he's gonna message him.
We have birthday for Martin.
We don't have anything else.
Hold on, I got Earl Washington.
Just asked.
Just came up.
Oh,
Give me 1 second.
Good morning, Mr. Washington.
You got someone else to read?
Good morning.
Good morning, are you ready?
Well, I have Cedric Thomas. Is he on the Zoom?
No, he's not on.
I could waive his appearance if permitted.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. Calling case number 2357285, the people of the state of Michigan versus Cedric Thomas. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, and obstructing, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Dan Buquette on behalf of the people, P number 86690.
And good morning, Earl Washington, Neighborhood Defender Service, P31383 on behalf of Mr. Cedric Thomas.
All right. Waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing?
Yes, Your Honor, I waived his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
All right, thank
He's
you.
in the waiting, yeah, we just haven't done it yet.
Are you available Friday, June 23rd, 9 o'clock?
Let me just check that date, Your Honor. Okay. Yeah, oh, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong month. June 23rd.
June 23rd, 9 o'clock.
I'm a little bit jammed that morning. I have a number of other appearances.
June 22nd, 9 o'clock?
Yes, June 22nd, 9 o'clock is good.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
All right. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Good morning, Mr. Reed.
This is Mr. Reed office. Mr. Reed should be logging in probably about 1 minute.
Okay, his client is on, Mr.
20.
Denise.
He should be logging in momentarily.
All right, here he is.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning, Mr. Reed.
Good morning. How are you this morning?
Good, how are you?
Wonderful. Good to see you.
You too. You ready? Your client is on.
We are ready.
All righty. Calling case number 2357350, the people of the state of Michigan versus James Whittington. Defendant is charged with count 1, count 2, count 3, controlled substance, delivering, manufacturing cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 50 grams. Count 4, controlled substance. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Dan Duquette on behalf of the people, number 86690.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Daniel Reed, P number 30965, appearing on behalf of Mr. Whittington. We do consent this matter proceeding by Zoom. Mr. Whittington, state your name for the record, sir. Unmute yourself and state your name, sir. We could waive his appearance. I mean, he is there, but we could waive it, Your Honor. We're just going to set this matter for exam.
Yes,
All right.
Oh, thank you. Say your name.
my name is James Whittington.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Whittington, so you know in the future, I don't do sweatshirts, I don't do t-shirts in my courtroom, even on Zoom. Please wear a shirt with a collar, all right?
Yes,
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Reed?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd like to set this matter for exam, sir.
June 23rd at 9 o'clock?
Mr. Ward,
That is not a good day.
I don't know who was that talking.
that was my paralegal. He's in the office. I'm in the car. I didn't have my book with me, so he has the book.
Okay, well, I can't have folks talking on the record, I don't know who they are.
No, I'm sorry, Your Honor. No, that's my paralegal. I just asked him if that was a good date. That was all. I'm sorry. And he responded. Sorry about that. That is my paralegal. So if the court would allow, if you give another date, he's going to have to respond because I don't have my book with me. I'm so sorry.
June 26th at 10 o'clock?
Good day.
Good date, Your Honor.
All right.
We appreciate the court.
Okay, no problem. We will, see you back then.
All right. Stay safe, Your Honor, and happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day too. You take care.
Thank you. Everybody
Happy
safe.
Father's Day, Mr. Reed.
Thank
Happy
you.
Father's
You're very
Day.
kind. I appreciate it.
We're good until, to exam.
Hmm?
We're good until exam.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna close on right back.
excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Is it good for me to leave?
Yes, sir. Yes, it is. Thank you. Yep.
Happy Father's Day. Thank
Yep.
you.
Weekend.
Wayne County Jail, who do you have? Your name in Wayne County Jail, Division 2, what is your name?
Ronald Thomas.
All right, Mr. Thomas, we already did yours. That was Tyrone. That was Tyrone Thomas? Yeah. Mr. Simon.
23 at 10:30.
All right, Mr. Thomas, so your next court date is June 26th at 10:30 a.m.
June 26th.
That's correct,
Okay.
at 10:30. It's in person, so you'll be in the courthouse.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Happy Father's Day.
Thanks.
I think they just had the camera in front of the jail, his cell, his actual cell.
I know, but that's what the armor guard put in.
That must have been off.
He was the officer.
He's out of uniform.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah, they don't do things like we used to. They would never have that. Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
They said these times. Oh, that's so.
June 22nd at 1 o'clock.
This is perfect.
So $6.
So it should be 14:30.
It's another arm skill.
Oh, city
When you go talk to them, playing with this one,
I don't think we have any BCCs on.
Yes, sir. What for this room? First one. I open for.
Appreciate it.
Man, it's crazy. Ain't today Friday, not tripping?
Yeah, it's Friday, yeah. Oh, you don't say. Yeah, took 3 CCs up in Jefferson. That's all she has. Did we get our 9 o'clock yet on it?
Nope. Also, we did. That must be good. That's that. Yeah, probably anyway.
The Washington did that?
Watson is across the hall. They have a 1:30 and a 2 o'clock.
That's all they had.
No, they got something this morning. So,
I know Carlos is glad he won't be in the next Friday. And then he said, yeah, even though he's off Thursday, all the week it's Friday. He said, good call.
yeah. So let me know when you finish up. Take my food. Or do you want what?
No, I'll share what you
Got a 3-day weekend.
Yes.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
What is the app so far?
You said, what, 156? Some of it.
That's 466 now. But the other was 195.
Uh-oh.
And summer is supposed to return for our Monday off.
Yeah.
Supposed to be 82 degrees.
Yeah,
Oh, good.
supposed to be nice Sunday too.
Yeah, Father's Day and Juneteenth.
Oh, good. 'Cause
They're
I got
looking
a
out for the
barbecue.
fathers this year for a change.
And for all the blacks that didn't know that they was free.
Mm-mm.
Friendless.
That's kind of a messed up holiday. To make it a national holiday.
That is true.
That's,
Yeah.
you're gonna celebrate some folks that was still enslaved, even though they wasn't supposed to be.
That is, yeah, I don't know, I don't know why they did that.
Hey, didn't y'all know? Didn't y'all hear?
Hey, don't worry, maybe we should take this, because pretty soon the LGBT community gonna have their own.
Oh, man,
Their
they
own
be,
holiday, too.
Oh,
they be
Lord.
tripping on everything.
They
Did you
just,
see?
yeah.
You see when they was talking about it's discriminatory because Hamtramck said they're not gonna fly their flags on their public buildings?
Yeah,
That's up to
but
them.
they even had the flag at White House. When
It's
they were
crazy.
celebrating.
That's crazy. See, that's not cool. I think you get too far, going too far. I mean, they said, the Biden, all the Democrats, they a little too soft for me.
They steamrolling on folks.
And they keep on bringing in all these new immigrants, and we don't have nothing for the people here.
It's
Pay for the,
them no time to surpass the civil rights movement, did they?
that's what they heard them jumped on that civil rights movement.
They done surpassed that so tough. Ooh.
See, because they're a minority now. See, that's all that's, he just said.
But imagine if we said, the black folks said they need to fly a separate flag for blacks.
Oh, you would have so much.
That'd be shut down so fast. You're like, ain't y'all American? This American flag should be for everybody. You know what I mean?
Right. So
It's
then why
always-
you gotta fly a flag saying you LGBT? That's stupid.
Right.
Are you American?
Yeah.
You get,
Yeah. Yeah, that's all that matters.
What gets me are, wait a minute, state trooper, right? Where did this come from, dude? I see you. Trying to go on the cover on me, man.
On, 36th District Court, it's under Judge Jones, but she's not in here.
Yes, she is.
If she's here. Where's,
She's not doing criminal.
Let me see, Judge Jones.
She's across, she's on the 4th floor.
He's doing, Judge Jones is doing traffic. So
Traffic.
yeah.
but this is it's a homicide case.
Then that would be next door then.
Across the hall.
Next door.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I know it looks like crap.
Yeah.
I remember when we used to be shaking.
They used to look so.
Yeah.
Oh, big
Oh, no.
You don't him, right?
No, we talking big gun, you big gun. Big gun right there. You might have a knife in the garage. Check his can. They got, you know it, I can't see. That's all
I
you-
can remember seeing you. Wait,
Yeah.
what courtroom
No,
was that?
I went in the courtroom, I came up to you and said, "What's the bed?"
Oh, I thought
I
you were
see
in
you,
the courtroom
no.
because I was acting.
Alright,
the other
I
day.
would have scored you.
Ours is higher.
You gotta see the first row, so.
That's my point.
That's Mr. McMillan.
Right,
And my client is in the hall, Mr. Hill.
great, thank you very much.
Very, very welcome.
good to see you.
All right.
Too.
Y'all ready?
What's going on, pretty girl?
You all right?
The big guns coming today, boy, the big
At
guns.
the same time.
Right.
Scared me, man.
Glad to have Judge Jones. When did Judge Jones get back on his hill?
February.
Oh, it's been a long.
Yeah, you really ain't been here, have you?
Yeah.
I think sometimes you get in the, you know, I don't know, I just seem to draw the same judge.
Yeah, cause you hadn't seen you in a while, I hadn't seen you, that's why when I saw you, I saw you, maybe it was outside saying, hey, you in there, you said, you just have a good.
Yeah, so he's telling me, so I'm here. Those other cases coming to me.
Man, Griff, where you gonna sit up, man? Where you gonna sit up? No, man, you don't get out on the golf course, man, you scared of me, man.
Why do they keep saying
Finished up?
this? It's tripping me out. Huh?
Oh, so then you wanna adjourn, cause
Yes.
he said, where's the appraisal?
Right now, Giles is in my courtroom and it's on matter.
Okay.
So we're,
Echo.
Say, I'm
There's God. Oh, we ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Constance? Calling case number 2355650, the people of the state of Michigan versus Arden Tyler. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle, habitual offender, for notice. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Morning, Your Honor, this is Dan Duquette on behalf of people, P number 86690.
Morning, Judge Giles G. Whitney, McGriffin, on behalf of Mr. Tyler, who's present. Now, this is a waiver. Arden Tyler.
Just so you know, in the future, I'll do sweats.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Sure, with color, please. Right, directly, this is a waiver.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any objection?
No objection from people, Your Honor.
All right. All right, so you understand that you have a statutory right to preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing it. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way, you should waive your right to preliminary exam. You're waiving your right freely, voluntarily, after having opportunity to talk to your attorney. I got you.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. And you signed the waiver of examination form?
Okay.
Thank you. All right, we'll find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court's Criminal Division. For arraignment on the information to be June 30th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
And bond continue.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Take care, Sean. Take care, man.
Bring it on, right?
Yeah, I think so. It's great.
Yes,
You step up.
thank you.
Oh, I said Holland Field.
We would get it.
Right here, sir. It's gonna swing for us.
Oh, yeah, I'm aware. Okay, thank you.
Calling case number, prosecutor.
Oh, we don't need one of those. Prosecutor for.
Calling case number 2357226, the people of the state of Michigan versus Damon Hill. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 2, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon, count 3, weapons carrying concealed, count 4, count 5, weapons throwing a firearm, count 6, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor, this is Dan Duquette on behalf of the people, P number 86690.
And good morning, Your Honor, to you and your staff. And this is our report, Penal Code Grade P 52354, appearing on behalf of Mr. Hill, who is present. We're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Hill, can you state your name just for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Damon Orlando Hill.
Thank you. Good morning. All right, you ready?
Your Honor, the people would respectfully request an adjournment on this matter. Officer Perry, who was our necessary witness, had another matter at the same time scheduled. So scheduled for 9:15, it's currently 9:40, which is why he was unable to be present.
And Judge, you know what, and prosecutor did bring that to my attention, and I'm a zealous advocate on behalf of my client. Judge, we appear for probable cause conference, and we put this matter on this date, and if I'm not mistaken, the people did in fact indicate on the record that there was confirmation that the officers would in fact be present and ready to proceed. With that, Judge, respectfully, they're not ready to proceed. We would move for dismissal.
I'm buying a good call. He was here, he's supposed to be here. He should have stayed here. Definitely, it was in the afternoon or something like that. If we were talking about 30 minutes or 20 minutes difference. No, so at this point, the matter is dismissed. Always refile if that's what they want to do.
Thank you, Judge. I'll wait for the order. Thank you, Judge. We understand the court's position. Thank you. And I'll wait on the Oh, I'm sorry, I'm having all this. Okay, thank you.
You got the case?
Oh, no, I don't. I'm talking to you. One second. I love talking about the law. Now, you like that. I can see that. I can see that. I respect. I'm looking at you.